Good morning, everyone. Today we revise the first unit. In this first unit, first let me define proposition. What is proposition? Proposition or a statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false, but not both. The true or falsity of proposition is called its truth value. Okay, proposition is nothing but it is a declarative statement. It is either which is either true or false, but not both. Here, I have given you some examples where these statements have only either true or false values. The true value, these two values, true and false, are denoted by the symbols T and F respectively. Sometimes these are also denoted by the symbols 1 and 0 respectively. Coming to the examples, consider the following state sentences. Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, the answer of this statement is yes. Okay, it has only the truth value is T. Kolkata is a country. No, it is not a country. The answer of this statement is no. 5 is a prime number. Yes. 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. No. Okay. If you observe sentences from 1 to 4, these statements are having either true or false value, but not both. Okay. These are statements. Okay. These are declarative sentences which has either true or false but not both. So these are prepositions. Okay, these are prepositions. A declarative statement which is either true or false but not both is called a preposition because they are either true or false. Next, consider the following sentences. Next, observe these sentences. How beautiful are you? Okay, how beautiful are you? Wish you a happy new year. X plus Y is equal to Z. And take one book. Take one book. These are not prepositions as they are not declarative in nature. Okay, a statement which has either true or false is known as a preposition. If you observe these statements will not have only true or false. Okay, x plus y is equal to z. Is it true? Can we say that it is a true? I mean, is it a declarative sentence? No, you will not get true or false value to this. Similarly, wish you a happy new year. All these statements are not prepositions. They're not declarative in nature. So they do not declare a definite truth value T or F. Okay. Therefore, these are not prepositions. A statement which is either true or false, but not both is called a preposition. So next topic is connectives. There are 5 basic connectives called negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional and biconditional. These are the 5 basic connectives. So coming to the first connective, that is negation. The negation of a statement is generally formed by writing the word not at a proper place in the statement, or by fixing the statement with a phrase. It is not the case that if P denotes a statement, then the negation of P is written as P and read as not P. If the truth value of P is T, then the truth value of P is F. Also, if the truth value of P is F, then the truth value of P is T. So this is the truth table for negation. Negation by adding not at a proper place in the statement will get the negation of a given statement. So if that statement has a true value, negation of that statement will have a false. If that statement will have a false value, negation of that statement will have a true. Okay, this is the truth table for negation. Consider the statement P. Consider the statement P. Kolkata is a city. So what is its negation? Negation of a statement is denoted by negation P. By adding not in a proper place in a statement, we get the negation of the statement. So Kolkata is a city is a statement. By adding not in a proper sentence or proper place, In the statement, we get the negation P, that is Kolkata is not a city. Kolkata is not a city. Conjunction. Conjunction of next connectivity is conjunction. The conjunction of two statements P and Q is a statement P and Q which is read as P and Q. The statement P and Q as a truth value T whenever both P and Q have truth value T. Otherwise, it has a truth value P. So, in conjunction statement, in this connectivity considers two statements P and Q. Okay, the conjunction of these two statements is denoted by P and Q, or which is read as a P and Q. Okay, when the truth value of P and Q has a T, the truth value of P and Q has a T whenever both P and Q have the truth value. Otherwise, it has truth value false. Look at the table. This is the truth table for conjunction P and Q. Here, statement P has a truth value T, Q has a truth value T, P and Q has a truth value T. Whenever both P and Q have a truth value T, then P and Q will have truth value T. Coming to the next, P is having truth value true, and Q, the statement Q is having the truth value false. In this case, whenever according to the conjunction, the two statements will have, whenever P and Q will have the same truth value, then only P and Q will have a truth value too. Otherwise, it is false. So here P statement has a truth value T and Q statement will have a truth value F. So the truth value of P and Q is F. Here FT, truth value of P and Q is F. FF, the truth value of P and Q is F. Whenever P and Q have truth value 2 true, then only P and Q has truth value true, otherwise false. So for these three cases, P and Q will have false truth value. For whenever P and Q will have truth value 2, then P and Q also truth value 2. Next, here we have one example. Consider the following statements. We have taken one statement that P, it is raining today. We have considered one more statement as Q, there are 10 chairs in the room. It is raining today. There are 10 chairs in the room. P and Q is it is raining today and there are 10 chairs in the room. P and Q will be, it is raining today and there are 10 chairs in the room. This is about next connectivity conjunction. Remember one point you should remember in this conjunction connectivity, whenever P and Q will have a truth value true, then only P and Q will have truth value 2. Other cases, it has truth value false. Coming to the disjunction, this is one of the connectivities. Here also considers two statements P and Q. Disjunction of these two statements denoted by PRQ, or which is read as PRQ. The statement PRQ has the truth value false only when both P and Q have a truth value false. Otherwise, it has truth value T. By looking at this table, you can easily remember whenever P and Q will have truth value false, then only PRQ will have truth value false. Otherwise, it has truth value true. Just opposite to conjunction. In conjunction, whenever P and Q will have truth value true, P and Q will have truth value true. Otherwise, it has a truth value false. In the same way, in disjunction, whenever P and Q will have a truth value false, then only P or Q will have truth value false. Otherwise, it has truth value T. Again, we have an example. Consider the following statements. Again, I have taken two statements, P is a statement, I shall go to the game. Q is one more statement, I shall watch the game on television. Then PRQ is, I shall go to the game or watch the game on television. By adding this or, PRQ, either P or Q. I shall go to the game or watch the game on television. Okay, this is about next connectivity, conjunction. Coming to the next, conditional proposition. If P and Q are any two statements, then the statement which is read as if P then Q. If P and Q are any statements, then the statement P conditional Q, which is read as if P then Q, is called a conditional statement or implication, and the connective is the conditional connective. The conditional is defined by the following table. Here we have a truth table for the conditional connectivity. Here I have taken two statements, P and Q, and this is the P conditional Q. So here, remember, observe this table. Whenever P and Q will have truth value true, P conditional Q is true. When P is true, Q is false, then it is false. For all other cases, otherwise it as truth value true only. Look at this. When statement P as a truth value true and statement Q as a truth value false, then only P conditional Q will be false. Then only P conditional Q will have truth value false. Otherwise, it has truth value true. This condition you have to remember. Okay? In conjunction connectivity, whenever P and Q have a truth value true, then P and Q will have truth value true. Otherwise, false. In disjunction, whenever P and Q, opposite, whenever P and Q have truth value false, then only PRQ truth value is false. But here in conditional connective, when P is Q and Q is false, whenever P as a truth value true and Q as a truth value false, then P conditional Q is false. Otherwise, it is true. In this conditional statement, P is called the hypothesis or premise and Q is called the consequence or conclusion. Here we have an example. Translate the following statement. The crop will be destroyed if there is a flood. If there is a flood, the crop will be destroyed. You have to define two statements here. Let us define C is the statement that the crop will be destroyed. And you have to define one more statement that F is a statement there is a flood. If P, then Q. Conditional, connective. If P, then Q. If P, there is a flood. If there is a flood, the crop will be destroyed. So, in a symbolic form, this can be written as F conditional. F implies C. Okay, F conditional C. This is about conditional. If P, then Q is a conditional connective. Conditional preposition that if P, if there is a flood, then the crop will be destroyed. So in a symbolic form, this can be written as F conditional C. Okay. Next, coming to the converse, inverse and contrapositive. If P conditional Q is a conditional statement, remember, if you have a conditional statement like this, P is one statement and Q is another statement. P conditional Q is a conditional statement. Then, what is the converse of this conditional statement? Q conditional P is called its converse. Okay, and negation P conditional negation Q is called its inverse. Negation P conditional negation Q is called its inverse, and negation Q conditional negation P is called its contrapositive. Okay, so inverse, converse, contrapositive. If you have a P conditional Q statement, then Q conditional P is called its converse. Negation P conditional negation Q is called its inverse. Negation Q conditional negation P is called its contrapositive. It's contrapositive. So here we can see the truth table. We can draw, we can construct a truth table for Q conditional P, that is converse of P conditional Q. Q conditional P is converse of P conditional Q. Okay? Yes. I have taken two statements. P conditional Q. See, P, Q. Two statements. We are constructing truth table for Q conditional P. Q conditional P. When you have a two statements P and Q, these are the possibilities. P statement can have truth value true, Q can have truth value true. True F, F P, F F. These are the possibilities whenever you have a two statements P and Q. Q conditional P. According to conditional connectivity, when P is true, Q is false, then P conditional Q is false. Otherwise, it is true. But we are constructing Q conditional P here. You should consider first Q, then P. See, true, true, yes, true. False, true, yes, true. True, false, then only conditional Q conditional P will be false. Okay, here it is false. False, 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 then it is true. Only when Q is true, P is false, then Q conditional P is false. Otherwise, it is true. Okay, otherwise, the conditional connective will have a truth value true. Okay, next, truth table for inverse of P conditional Q. What is the inverse of P conditional Q? Negation P conditional negation Q is inverse of P conditional Q. So, how to construct truth table for this inverse of P conditional Q? By considering statement P. Yes, write in the first column statement P, Q. These are the possibilities when you have a two statements. Negation P, you find out. Negation P. P as a truth value true. Negation P will have a truth value false. When P as a truth value true, negation P will have truth value false. False, it has a truth value true. When P as a truth value false, negation P will have a truth value true. Okay. Similarly, negation Q. Q has truth value true. Negation Q will have truth value false. False, true. True, false. False, true. I have written negation P and negation Q. Next, we are constructing a truth table for negation P conditional negation Q. So negation P conditional negation Q. Negation P, third column values are negation P. Fourth column values are negation Q. In conditional connective, when negation P as a truth value true and Q, negation Q as a truth value false, then only conditional connectivity P conditional negation Q will have truth value false. Otherwise, it is true. According to conditional connective, false false will become true, false true will become true, true false will become false, true true is true. Okay, this is the truth table for inverse of P conditional Q, that is negation P conditional negation Q. Similarly, truth table you can find out for contrapositive of P conditional Q. Contrapositive of P conditional Q is negation Q conditional negation P. Same like last table, here also write down the P statement, Q statement, truth values. Okay, you have a two statements P and Q. Write down the possibilities of truth values. Okay, next negation Q. You have negation Q first. Find out negation Q. Next negation P. Conditional connective of these two. When negation Q has a truth value true, negation P will have a truth value false. In this case only, conditional statement become false. All other cases it becomes true, true, true. Okay. When negation Q is having truth value true, negation P is having truth value false. Therefore, conditional connective negation Q, conditional negation P will have truth value false. Otherwise, it has a truth value true. Okay. So this is the truth table for contrapositive of P conditional Q. Next, coming to the last connective. As I said, there are 5 connectives: negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional preposition, and biconditional preposition. Till now we discussed negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional preposition, and biconditional preposition is the last connective. Okay, here in biconditional preposition, if P and Q are any two statements, then the statement, okay, we read it as P if find only if Q. P if find only if Q, or you can also read it as P biconditional Q. Okay, can be abbreviated as P if Q is a biconditional statement and the connective is the biconditional connective. So here I am drawing a truth table for this conditional biconditional connective. They have a P statement, Q statement. Write down the possibilities of write all the possibilities of truth values. Next, P biconditional Q. In this, remember, whenever P and Q will have either both truth values, I mean both P and Q were here. It may be noted that P and Q is true when both P and Q are true or both P and Q are false. Okay, when both P and Q are true, then P biconditional Q will be true. When both P and Q are false, then P biconditional Q will have false, I mean true truth value. Otherwise, it has false truth value. Okay, this is about biconditional proposition. So till now we discussed what is mean by proposition. A declarative statement which is either true or false is called a proposition. I gave you some examples. First, some examples. Next, we discussed connectives. In these connectives, we discussed negation, conjunction, bijunction, disjunction, negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional connective, and biconditional connective, and converse, inverse, and contrapositive of P conditional Q. Next, coming to the tautology and contradiction. What is meant by tautology? A statement formula which is true regardless of the truth values of the statement, which replace the variables in it, is called universally valid formula or logical truth or a tautology. Okay, you can also remember when a truth table containing last column of the truth table will have truth values of t, then that statement is said to be tautology. Next, contradiction. A statement formula which is false regardless of the truth values of the statement, which replace the variables in it, is said to be contradiction. Contingency is nothing but a statement formula which is neither a tautology nor a contradiction, is known as contingency. Okay, this is about tautology, contradiction, and contingency.